Hello, I am Mrs. Cavazos doing a quick cello tutorial on Hot Cross Buns. So I have this cello here with the first fret or the don't fret tapes. If you don't have those, you have different kinds of tapes, that is totally okay. But I'm going to be referring these so that it's kind of easier so that you can hopefully see it. But here we're going to start off. Make sure you are holding your cello. Your thumb is going to be in the back, not squished like a banana, but nice and round, almost like you're holding a can of soda or a bottle of water or some other delicious beverage that you enjoy. So we have our D string, first finger E, second is gonna go between the yellow tape and the red tape. Your third finger is gonna go there for your F sharp. So you have D, E, and F sharp. We start off by going F sharp, E, D, F sharp, E, D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, E, D. I recommend that you don't have your hand all the way open when you're in between notes. That way you kind of keep that hand shape. So we're going to start it again. F sharp, E, D, F sharp, E, D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, E, D. So we're using 3 fingers for those easy notes and you'll be set to go. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. You can comment below, email me, like, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff. And you can actually use this song to do a play along that you'll see in one of the other videos here on the side. Hope this helps out. Have a wonderful day and have a very fun time practicing.